What's up, everybody? Just want to make a really quick video helping anybody out that's trying to put an external SSD on the newest OS through Mac. It's really simple. It's not hard. Took me just a minute, but I figured it out. It's not bad. First thing you want to do is go up and type in disk utility up in the Finder. I already have it pulled up here. Let's get it to pop up here. Let me zoom in. I know this is a very crude way of doing this, but I can't screen record because I have to restart. When you first get here, it'll be show only volume. That's how it was for me, and it was kind of confusing. It messed me up at first. So it was showing only volume. You want to go up here to view, click on view, and go to show all devices. And right above your external SSD, you want to click on that. You want to go to erase. Name it. We're going to name it SSD. You want to go to macOS Extended Journal, click on that, go to Master Boot Recovery, and click on Guide Partition Map. Pretty simple stuff. You want to go to Erase, give it a second to erase. Oops, sorry, I bumped the thing. Alright, there it is, it's erased, don't use. And then what we're going to do is going to go to cancel out of this. We're going up in the right hand corner up here, and we're going to go to restart. Now as soon as it restarts and you hear the chime, we're going to hit Command R. As soon as right there, as soon as we hear the chime, we want to hold the Command R down and just hold it down for a few seconds, and you won't see anything load up. And as soon as you let off of it, you should see it start to boot. Alright, we'll warp to the next part. Alright guys, here we go. As soon as it loads up, you want to go to reinstall Mac OS. Hit continue. Alright, Mac OS. Just hit continue. Pretty simple. Agree. Agree. Alright guys, as soon as it loads up, it will be, you'll see your different hard drives, your internal, external hard drives. That one's just some other hard drive I have hooked up. But here's our SSD. You want to hit install. And then that's pretty much it. Alright guys, after you do it that way, you fill out all the information afterwards. That's all there is to it. You can go to systems and check, but doing it that way you don't have to change. It's already preset as running as the primary one now. So you can erase the other one and use this as a backup, and that's all there is to it, guys. I just want to make a fast video showing everybody how to do that, and that's pretty much it. Y'all guys take it easy. If y'all like my channel, if y'all like watching gaming videos and stuff like that, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see y'all guys later.